go hit that like button if you want to see us get an R34 GTR.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cranks Fab Shop. Today we're working on a couple of exhausts. So behind me, I don't know if you can see, yeah, we got a big old downpipe. I'll show you that in just a minute. And we've got a pretty special car that's about to get here and go on the lift. So let me show you this downpipe, and then we'll wait for this car. It's a good one, which you probably already know because it's for sure going to be the thumbnail of this video. So yes, we got this 5-inch downpipe I've been welding on. Had to go get me some more aluminum, some of this metal tape, because I don't have. I've got a 4-inch V-band chill block and a 3-inch chill block. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. I got the 3-inch chill block here, and I got a 4-inch chill block there. But this is a 5-inch, so I don't have anything for that, which it maybe like 4.5 for the actual V-band because it's a little smaller, but it's 4.5 or 5-inch, something like that. Whatever it is, I don't have, a chiller block for it, so I can't leave my purge plug in there because it'll just burn it up, as well as this other end where it's so short, and I still need to weld that little piece to the end. But yeah. Oh, I think I hear the car pulling in right now. So let's see. The shop is a mess. I've got to get some stuff. We got our 2-post. We just got some shims in for that today. Got the R32 back in. And go ahead and pause now if you know what is about to pull in, and leave a comment. Well, if you guessed R34 GTR, then you were right. All right, guys, as you can see, we got Michael's R34 GTR on the lift, and we're straight piping it. All right, guys, so we've cut our resonator out and welded this straight piece, this straight section in. Decent weld there. If it'll focus, it's not going to because that's how decent they are. Yep, R34 getting straight piped. Not really, it's still got a muffler, but there was a resonator here that we cut out, which is over there somewhere, but then he's still gonna have the muffler in here, so we'll see how it sounds here in just a minute.
Way louder. It's way louder. You can hear the turbo now too.
Yeah.
It's not even registering oil turn yet.
Oh, yeah.
That's different. Oh yeah, that's way louder.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I think it's a little bit more responsive too. Like, I'm sure just probably from deleting the cat and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's way louder. Way.
But it's not like overly loud.
No, like you probably aren't really gonna hear it in the video. It definitely makes more noises now than
Yeah.
before.
Oh, because it was, I mean, extremely quiet. Like if there was anything else started around it, you couldn't hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the road's nasty from all that rain we got.
I saw someone like chop down a tree over here.
Raccoon. That fella might have rabies. Yeah, ooh, yeah, watch out for this. Just gonna do the loop.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's a cop down here.
Is that a cop?
I don't know. I don't know if he's got somebody pulled over or.
Way louder. Sounds good.
Are they looking through binoculars?
It's even drones. Perfect. I'm not even in 6th gear. There. Little drone.
Give her a little juice. See what it's. Okay, so yeah.
I dig it. Was it worth it?
Cruising, like it's still quiet, but whenever you get into it, like that's good.
Honestly, perfect.
STI.
That's pretty good.
Pull a U-turn.
Wanna drive it?
No.
Sure. I'll let you.
All right.
All right.
I can't turn that down.
What?
I can't turn it down.
I was like, what do you mean turn it down? It's stock.
I can't turn down the opportunity to drive this thing. I like it. Cranks Fab Shop needs one of these. Go hit that like button if you want to see us get an R34 GTR.
Turbo feels pretty good, huh?
Feels good, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is 6 speed too, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. I have no clue how fast I'm going.
60-ish.
100 miles an hour.
Yeah. 100's like 62. Some burbles.
Still trying to get used to the right-hand drive. It is it's still weird, but you know, I bet this thing would be a blast on back roads once you got used to
Yeah.
it and stuff. Just 'cause it does feel.
The Hikis is a little weird. I don't know if you've noticed that yet.
Is that the rear steering?
Yeah.
I'm
I'm gonna delete it though, just because sometimes it's kind of shaky. I'm just gonna get rid of it. That's what most people do. It's pretty nimble though. Like I was surprised how nimble it was, just coming from Evos.
Yeah, I was coming back home and saw all this stuff. It's like really having him bring an R34, and the road looks like this.
It's just some leaves.
Man. I felt bad, and then I remembered that you literally, the last time you drove it to the shop, you went off-road.
I mean, if you want to call it that. Yeah, all these leaves.
Yeah, I'm just trying to miss that,
Ooh.
that stick. Obviously it didn't. Yeah, I'd say this is the my favorite car of yours that I've driven so far.
The 6 is still my favorite, but
yeah.
for different reasons.
Yeah, that's fair. This is, you know.
The 6 is my favorite to drive, like on a back road,
Yeah.
but this
Well,
is
and
probably
you
my
got it
favorite
set up
car.
for it, you know.
Yeah. Just need to get some intakes on this, get some more
Yes.
turbo noises, and it'll be Good to roll.
What's up, guys? Crank here, Cranks Fab Shop. Hit that like button for your chance to win this GTR, this R34 GTR.
Oh, I didn't know you were buying it from me.
Huh?
I didn't know you were buying it from me to sell.
Yeah, no, we're just kidding.
Well, bye.